Let's learn about how to curve text in Cricut Design Space. Come and conquer Cricut with me, Jody. In today's lesson, we're curving text. Click on the text button and add some text. I've used a rainbow to compare the curve. Click on the curve button found in the top panel of your canvas. See example here. When you adjust the slider, this allows the text to curve up or down. When you slide right, you will get a downward curve. I call this a sad face. The more you adjust the slider, the tighter the curve. When you slide to the left, get an upward curve. This is called a happy face. Again, the more you adjust the slider, the tighter the curve. Either you make the curve at 100%, it will become a complete circle. Did you also know that at any time with this curve feature, you can change the font, the line spacing, the color, the size, etc. But do not weld or flatten the text. So there you have it. That's how you curve text in Cricut Design Space. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Follow on socials, and until next time, happy crafting and thanks for watching. Bye for now.